Hundreds of doctors in one of the premier health institutions in the northeastern region, Regional Institutes of Medical Sciences (RIMS), joined the All India Doctors' Strike against the brutal rape and murder of Dr. Moumida Debnath in Kolkata. As a part of the protest, the premier institute had withdrawn out routine OPT, OT and diagnostic services for 24 hours. However, the emergency services remained opened. In spite of the incessant rain in Imphal, hundreds of doctors scattered in front of the hospital, holding placards and expressed frustrations over increasing threats, intimidations and mob violence. Doctors unanimously expressed that safety and security of the doctors need to be taken care of. One of the participants in the protest, Dr. Sheral Raina Todo, said so far they have already conducted candlelight vigil and a peaceful rally up to Legislative Assembly. Stating that the protest was not just for the doctors' fraternity, she said public support is very important. She lamented that the main problem in India was corruption. Therefore, even if some individuals wanted change, it is very difficult without support from the higher levels.
So, ma'am, your name, please.
I'm Dr. Sheral Raina Todo, representing RDA.
What is this protest all about?
This protest is about the incident which took place in Azikal Medical College. A few days back, it has been almost 1 week. Since then, we have already protested twice, once as a candlelight vigil, followed by a peaceful rally that took place up in our Legislative Assembly. Following which, there was protest even at the West Bengal, which was continued, and the mob attack took place, which showed no grace or no peace at all, and the mob attack shut into the hospital. They destroyed the property, they attacked on the patients, they attacked on the female doctors, they attacked on the male doctors, they attacked on the seniors, they attacked on the laboring patients, they attacked on the pregnant ladies, and this is just not done. And this is against our medical fraternity, and we need support from not only from the medical fraternity, we need support from all the public. We have to stand united. We are there for all the public at any time, at any point of difficulty. Whatever is related to their health, we are always there to give them. But at the point when we are suffering, we need the voice of the public along with us.
Ma'am, we often hear that some angry patient party come to the hospital and beat up the doctors and even vandalize the hospital properties, etc. What exactly is the problem happening in India? Why this such kind of problem happen often?
In India, the main problem is, one thing is corruption. This is the thing that we, as one or two individuals, even if they try to bring a change, the change is not much done. But every person, as individually, they have to think about this and bring a change. We have to enforce it at the higher level. We are submitting a memorandum at our own institute and also to our Chief Minister, to our Health Minister and also to the Member of Parliament. We will be submitting a memorandum to have safety at the level of institute and at the central level also. So today, with the umbrella, under the umbrella of Indian Medical Association, we are conducting this peaceful protest and we are demanding for Central Protection Act and for the justice for the victim.